In order for you to change the gender of your character in Where Winds Meet, you need to purchase a transformation pill. Now, you may have noticed that if you ever go to appearance and you try to customize your appearance, you can't simply switch from male to female. So in order for you to access or to change to a different gender, first start by navigating to the shop on the game. Then from here, simply select items. Under items, you want to select Jianghu treasures and then scroll down until you find transformation pill. Simply select it like so and then choose the quantity that you want to purchase. So you can purchase as up to 6. And then from here, you can see it tells you the total price of 7,680 pearls. Now, if you have those pearls, you can just go ahead and purchase. But if you don't have them, you'll need to select purchase and then use your actual money so that you can be able to purchase them and then be able to get the transformation pill. Once you have the transformation pill ready, you can simply choose to take it and then change your gender as you wish to. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.